Tennessee Flat Top Fox.
Hello, everybody.
In a little cabaret in the South Texas border town sat a boy with his guitar. People came for miles around in all those girls from here to Austin. We're slipping away from home and putting jewelry in pocket. Take a trip. Go and listen to the little dark-haired boy who played the Tennessee Flat Top Fox, and he would play. Well, he didn't ride or wrangle, and he never seemed to have a dime to give him his guitar. He'd be happy all the time, and all those girls from 9 to 90 were snapping fingers, tapping toes, and begging him don't stop, and hypnotized and fascinated by the little dark-haired boy who played the Tennessee Flat Top Fox, and he would play. One day he was gone, no one ever saw him round. He vanished like a breeze. They forgot him in that little town, except all those girls who dreamed about him and hung around the cabaret until the doors were locked. And then one day, on the hit parade, was a little dark-haired boy who played the Tennessee Flat Top Fox, that he would play.